Welcome to Drops on Elite. So today we're talking about this particular testnet called the MegaETH Testnet. So in this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to do this particular testnet. So please, if today is your first time joining us, please you do wait to support us by subscribing to this channel. So in the course of this video, I'm moving from one link to another. All these links are going to be down there in the description. So you just go over there, you click on it, and then you follow along. Now, the first thing we are going to do first here is clicking on this first link, which is this one. So now once you click on this link, you're going to get to this place. So now what we're going to do here first is that we're going to claim the Faucet token. Okay, so now first head over to your MetaMask wallet, and then you copy your wallet address. So then you come over here, then click on this Faucet. So now here you have to paste your wallet address and then you claim the test token. Okay, so now after you're done with this, head over to the next link. So now here, what we're going to do first, you have to connect your wallet, you have to connect your MetaMask. So once you're done with the connection, here we are to mint this test token. So now here we have 4 test tokens that we are to mint. So just click on mint and then complete the transaction. They are very quite easy to do. So now once you are done with the minting, next now come over to earn, click on earn. So now here what you have to do here is that we have to deposit those test tokens that we just minted. So you just come over here, scroll down, and then come over to here, and then you click on deposits. Okay, so we have to deposit this TK USDC. Now you come over here, then choose the amount you want to deposit, and then you then deposit. Okay, then now next we have to do now is to go over to borrow. So now you come over to this place, click on borrow. So here now we are to borrow mega token, but for now this particular token is fully exhausted, so we can't borrow now, but I'll show you what to do. Maybe you can come back and check on it. Now for you to borrow an asset here, immediately, let's just say for instance you want to borrow this, so just click on borrow here. Okay, let's use this one. So click on borrow. So now once you come over here, you have to use one of these test tokens that we just minted, the ones that we just deposited as a collateral for you to borrow. So now let me tell you, I want to use this as a collateral. I'll just come over here and then select the amount I want, and then I will be able to borrow an asset. Okay, so but we are supposed to borrow the mega token, but for now it just exhausted. Maybe you still have to come back and check on this one later. So next one you have to do now is so here now we have to connect our wallet. Okay, so come over here, connect your wallet first, and then we have to make a swap here. So you just have to come over here and then click on this, select ETH, and then select the coin that you want to swap to. Okay, and then you then select the amount that you want to swap. So very quite easy to do, then complete the transaction. Okay, so that's all you have to do in this Bebop one. Okay, now after you are done with this, you head over to the next link. So then the next one here is come over to this place. So then here now you have to connect your wallet first. Okay, connect the same wallet that you are using, and after you're done with the connection, next you have to do now is to create a meme. So come over here, click on this create a meme. So if you click on it here now we have to create a new meme. So you just come over here, select the name of the meme you want to create, and then select the ticker, and then add a description for it as well. So they are quite easy to do. So I'll just do this now for you to see. So then you upload an image and then come over here. This ones they're optional, just choose if you want, and then you create the meme. Okay, now after you're done with this, you come over to this my meme, and then you're able to see the one that we have created. Okay, now next you can do here is to come over to here, click on the dashboard. Okay, click on the dashboard. Now come over here. Next thing you can do here is that you can also buy one of these memes here. So now come over here to buy that, click on this, come over here now, select the amount you want to buy, okay, and then you complete the transaction. So they are very quite easy to do. Okay, so now that's what you ought to do in this particular link. Okay, now the next one we have to do, next one is coming over to this place. So now here, now in this one, in this cup here, first you have to connect your wallet, connect the same wallet that you are using. So and then you copy your wallet address, paste it here, and then you have to mint this 1000 CUSDT. So now you mint it, okay, and then complete the transaction. They're very quite easy to do. Okay, now next to do is to come over to the next link, which is this Superboard. Now here, now in this Superboard here, now we have to complete this MegaETH test quest. So come over here, you click on it. So now they are very quite easy to do. So I think they are, most of these things here we have done it in the previous link. So we'll just also ensure that you complete the quest. Okay, next you can do, so ensure that you connect your social. So head over to this place, click on profile and connect your social. It's very important that you do this particular one. Okay, so you complete this, connect your Discord and then your Twitter as well too. So now that's part of what you're going to do in this Superboard. Okay, now next thing we are going to do is head over to this next link. Now this GTE part of this the testnet, this particular website is still under maintenance, so there is nothing you can do for now. So you still have to come back and check on this particular website. So now, but the things you are going to do here is that first of all, we have to make a swap. So come over to this place, click on this and then make a swap. Next thing you can do here is to come over to this dash here. Here you have to buy one of those coins, but for now this website is still under maintenance, so you can't see anything for now here. Now next thing you can do is also to come over to N, and then here you have to supply liquidity. Okay, so you just come over here, you can also create pool. Okay, so but for now this particular website is still under maintenance. So finally, please ensure that you follow them in their their websites, check their websites, follow them on Twitter and then the Discord page for you to be updated. Okay, so that's all for this particular video. So please, if you have any question, you do it to ask there in the comment section. So please ensure to subscribe to support us, please, if you're yet to do that. Okay, now see you in the next video. Right, thank you, bye.